So I've got the treatment for dog. Oh, look at him. Must be smell good and taste good because this is a chewable tablet. And we tried the other one. Also, this is a Drontal as well. So you smell it and it smells so good, I reckon. And he can't wait to try it. This is all warmer chewable. And this is also a Drontal than those white tablet and hard round one, and it's really kind of Dogo doesn't like. So wait for mom. All right, you like this one? Okay. See if your best friend really like it, just they like it. You don't have to ask or choke them or force them to eat. Look. See, may I see with mama? Oh no, we just swallowed it. Oh my gosh. OMG. So from now on we buy this, okay? Yeah. It's first time we try this and we found it locally. Show me, boy. Show me your okay, open, open, yeah, he swallowed it. No need to force. Yeah, I like that one. You just go their own will. No need to force, and he want more. I already give you smako high. All right, we'll tell to daddy from now on this is your favorite. Hey, hang on. Yeah, very good. Yeah, that's your warmer every month. That was yummy, hey. Yummy. It tastes good. Must be got smako on it. All sort of thing. You never know, hey. And tastes good and smell good. See, guys, the chewable tablet, they are your favorite pet. I don't know because they love it. For sure, your dog will love too. Is one little bit fussy? Yeah. But when you give the round Drontal, nope. Nope, nope. You're really hard. You really feel asleep. Really hard to give it to them. But this one, I opened it. He just willingly take from here. I opened it and then I didn't do nothing. He just take it and he want more. He even licking it. Yay! Not sponsored by Drontal though, but sponsored, brought to you by Angela Name and the team. Thank you guys. Look at this little guy here. Now he's wanting to sleep. You like my voice, do you? Alright, good boy. You're such a good doggo. You deserve it, mate. Good boy. Alright guys, say bye-bye to your pants na. Bye. See you later. Woo. Kiss them. Hey. Bye-bye. Okay. You fall asleep again. Good brown eye boy. My alpha boy. Alright, see ya. Bye-bye. Sit down, sit down. Sit.